Before disassembling or cleaning your Glock, make sure that you remove the magazine, lock the slide to the rear, and check that the chamber is empty, both visually and physically. If you have a threaded barrel, remove the thread protector. Move the slide to the rear approximately 1/8 of an inch to take tension off of the slide lock. Move the slide lock down, releasing the slide, pull the trigger, and move it forward off of the frame. The recoil spring is moved forward into the muzzle to be removed. Reassemble the weapon opposite the way it was taken apart. Please note that I do not have any ammo on the table in the vicinity of the weapon while I'm reassembling it and op-checking it. And I am using an empty magazine for op-checks. Again, do your operational checks with an empty mag, or else you'll be putting holes in things that you probably don't want holes in.
That was easy.